Okay, we have a Doosan Vertical Machining Center, model DNM-400, Roman numeral 2, serial number MV0009-003313. This machine was new in 2015 and we are running it. This machine has a FANUC OIMD series control. It also has Easy Guide, I. You have a 12,000 RPM Cat 40 Big Plus spindle. You have 30 tool automatic side mount tool changer. Right now we're running at what?
This is 2,500 it's running right now.
2,500 RPM, you can't even hear it. Going up, 5,000 RPM. The control has 7,500 RPM. Control has a remote jog handle. 10,000 RPM. Machine also has a chip conveyor. The table size is 36.2 by 17.1. That was a tool change. Again, it's 30 ATC. You have 30 inches of X-axis travel, 17.1 of Y, and 20.1 of Z. We're gonna run around. Telescopic weight covers. That's your Y. Nice and quiet. X. You can see the touch off tool setter and your Z. Great. So you've seen all the axes move, you've seen the spindle go. Thank you for watching our video.